Hello, my name is Professor Michael Behrens, and I am a faculty member in the biology department, and I wanted to talk to you today about my tropical marine biology course that'll be taught in J-Term in the Bahamas. This course is meant for biology majors and biology minors, so students must have completed Biology 226 to take the class. And the class is really designed to teach you a lot about the marine habitats found in tropical oceans and be able to experience those habitats firsthand in the field on the island of San Salvador in the Bahamas. The course is structured in such a way we spend a week on campus and we do some intensive lecture. We also spend some time in the swimming pool and get you used to your snorkeling equipment. And then we fly off to the Bahamas and we spend the next couple weeks living at the Behrens Research Center on the island of San Salvador. It's a really small island in the southeastern Bahamas. It's about 10 miles long and a couple miles wide and has less than 1,000 people on it. We'll be at a research station that'll have students from a number of schools from around the US. And we will be spending time in the field every day, weather permitting, and in the classrooms in the evening usually, learning additional material. While we're there, our average day looks like get up, we have breakfast, we get our gear together and get on the truck and go to a specific habitat for the day. We snorkel, or if it's a land-based thing, we may do transects on land. We write up some field notes, we talk about it, we come back usually for lunch. Your afternoons are what I would call free time, but they're not actually free. It's free to do your homework assignments for the day, which is usually that we read a scientific paper every day. And you write a short summary of a figure or table from that paper, similar to the figure analyses you experienced in Biology 226. And then when that's done, you've got some free time to do whatever you'd like. We have dinner, and then after dinner, we have in-class time for a little bit where we talk about those papers, we talk about the things we've observed throughout the day. And so the course is really focused on the literature and sort of the research side of things when we're in the Bahamas. And so the other part of the course, you will be working in groups to do a small research project, the topic of your choosing. And we work together to help you collect data on that. You present those data, and then those data become the basis of a short research proposal that you write within your group as your final project for the class. So that's really the structure of the class itself. It is a really enjoyable time and also exhausting at the same time. We basically work almost 7 days a week or in class 7 days a week because there's not a lot else to do on the island. But we will have time that's purely downtime where we'll go visit historically significant places or geologically interesting places on the island. And also we'll just have time where we go swim with sea turtles because we know we can do that pretty much anytime we want. Or if we have the opportunity to swim with dolphins, we will go do that. Most of our work will be from shore, but there will be a couple occasions where we will charter a snorkeling boat from the Club Med, a resort on that island, and go swim on the ocean or open reef. And that is where we get into deeper water and we get to see some big things like large barracuda and sharks, but you also get to see some of the structure of the reef further offshore. So the class, as I mentioned, is an upper division biology class, and associated with it, you will also earn one course credit, though it doesn't show up in your CAP report as an actual course, but credit for one of your PE activity courses for snorkeling. And that brings up the The requirement that you do need to be able to swim to take this class. We will be snorkeling every day. You don't have to be a great swimmer. We have had students everywhere from fairly novice swimmers to people on the swim team, and they can all be successful, and everyone gets more comfortable as time goes on. And so those are the main features of the class. If you have more questions or concerns, you can always reach out to me. My information can be found either on the Wong Center website and the flyer, as well as the biology department website. Thanks, and I look forward to your applications.